Hi friends, today I am with Lenovo Yoga 7i and in this video we are going to talk about all the features what this 2-in-1 is offering and also check a little bit on the performance section and battery too. So let's start the video. Lenovo is a well-known brand in the laptop segment and definitely about Yoga. This is one of those series which was started in the year 2012, so it is more than a decade and Lenovo is continuously enhancing its performance, its durability and each and everything. Why you should buy this one? So we will talk each and everything in detail. Talking about this Lenovo Yoga 7i, this comes only in the tidal teal, which is a greenish kind of color. It looks like an emerald green and the polish and finish is really attractive. I will definitely show the colors. Let's start with the ports first. It gets one USB 3.2 Gen 1 port. It also has a micro SD card reader slot. It is very helpful for the content creators to just insert the card and copy the videos or photos, whatever it is. Nowadays, brands just forget this micro SD card slot. Even it has a power button, which is also on the side. So this is on the one side of the port. If we see the other side, here we are getting few more things. It includes one HDMI port, and it comes with the two Thunderbolt ports, which can be used as Type-C port also. It can be used for charging also. So there are two ports for that. It also has a one 3.5mm jack for using your headphones, which is a great thing. So these are the ports what you are getting in this laptop. Now if we talk about the laptop, it has a vent in the back and also on near the hinge. Here you can see where it comes, all the air vent can be gone through this. So regarding the heating issue, I didn't find any. I used this laptop for a long term for editing videos, for playing games, but I didn't find anything which is heating. But definitely after some time you have to lift the laptop if you are putting it on a lap. But rest of all, it works completely fine. The laptop comes with the military standard 810H, which is a military test, and you can see the hinge. The build quality is pretty premium, and you will not find anything very clumsy kind of thing. So you don't have to worry that it will break or something, but you have to handle it little carefully. So here you can see the hinge. I have tried and showed you. It works very smoothly and the yoga tablet is very flexible. If you want to switch it to the yoga mode, the flexibility looks very clean and it is very easy to make sure of that. Now talking about the yoga laptop, here one more thing I want to show you. It can go up to 180 degree if you want to use it in a landscape mode or in a portrait mode. It works for both the things. So if you want to read something, you can use it in a portrait mode, and if you want to use it in a landscape mode to watch movies or something, it is also can be done. We are getting a power adapter of 65 watt in the box, which comes with the Type-C support, and the pin is little bit different, but this is a review unit, so you might not get the same power adapter what we got. And also talking about the battery, it comes with the 75 watt hour battery. The bezels are very slim. Here you can see that the screen to body ratio is very minimal. Correctly, I can't say you exact what is the screen to body ratio. If you see, you also get a privacy shutter, which means that you can shut your camera, which is you are getting on the top. We are getting a full HD camera, and the privacy shutter is very useful. If you are not using the camera, just put the shutter on. It is very easy and it is a physical shutter button. The display is very attractive. It is a glossy display. If we talk about the display a little bit more, it comes with the OGM and it has a 10-point multi-touch support. Now, if you see the keyboard, it comes with the backlit. So many of you have asked us that it has a backlit support or not. Yes, it comes with the backlit support. And here you can see the tidal teal color. It looks a little bit greenish color, and this is the only color which is coming in this model. It looks pretty premium and it has a matte finish on the top, and you can see the yoga branding with Lenovo and even a slight edge on the top so that you can lift the LED. Now, if you talk about the hardware, it comes with the 16 GB of RAM. It has an Intel Core i7 13th Gen, and it also has a 1 TB of internal storage. If you are watching any movies or something, it is a complete delight. It comes with the 14-inch OLED display with 400 nits. It supports 8K playback HDR videos in this. In YouTube, I have played that. Even 4K video can be smoothly played. It has a 60 Hz of refresh rate. It comes with the Dolby Vision and it is certified from TUV low blue light. It has a display which is HDR true black. And as I already told you, the display is something, it is very attractive. It comes with the 17 hour of video playback, what company is claiming. For up to my users, it ran up to 16 to 16.5 hours. So I have no complaint of the battery issue. So if you are watching a video, movie, or you are binging, definitely this laptop is very useful, and the touch works completely smooth. And it is next level, because I have seen those Lenovo Yoga laptops which were in early stage, and this is completely one of the top notch in the market right now. If you talk about the touch experience, you also get a Lenovo digital pen which enhances your experience. The weight of this laptop is 1.49 kg. It comes with the Windows 11 Home preloaded. And if you talk about the sound system, it comes with the stereo speakers with 2 watts which are into 2. So there are two 2-watt speakers. It comes with the Dolby Atmos and smart amplifiers. I have tried and used the sound. The audio quality gives you an enhanced level of experience if you are watching a movie or something. So definitely the laptop gives you a complete package if you have a good audio and a video combination together. One more factor to buy is typing experience. Now we don't get a number pad because this is a small laptop. It is not a big one like 17-inch. So you are not getting number pad, but the touchpad is big enough and you get a proper palm rest if you are typing. And I have done the typing for long hours, and working is definitely, I didn't get any problem in typing, and even the typing experience for long hours is not a problem. So those who are looking for a proper work machine, this can be a useful one. Here you can see the backlit has 3 modes where you can change the backlit from null, then have a little bit backlit, then you can have the brightest backlit. Now even I am showing the display also, you can go to 0 where the display is completely dim, and then you can put it to the full brightness. If we talk about the few of the function keys what we are getting in this laptop, there is a mute, and which is F1, then there is volume down, there is volume up, then there is mic off or on, then brightness down, brightness up, then there is a display mode which you can change the display, then there is a flight mode which will switch off all the networks, and the flight mode you can switch it on also. Then there is a setting button. If you press it, you can go directly to the settings of this laptop. Then you can lock also. The next one is the lock button. You can go and do the locking. And after that, what we are getting is, if you are using the multi-tab, you can change the tab using the F11. F12 is for the calculator. And then there is one special key which you can insert from your side. And lastly, there is print screen which you can use to take the screenshot. It is very easy and you can try it out. So these are the function keys what you are getting as a shortcut in this laptop. You are also getting an integrated Intel Iris Xe GPU. The Wi-Fi in this laptop is Wi-Fi 6E. Here you can see, I will show you one small demo that you can also do the typing through the touchpad, and I'm completely doing it, and even if you swipe on the keyboard, it works completely fine. So it is up to the experience. If you want to do the typing like this, you can try it out too. It also comes with the Bluetooth 5.2. If you talk about the benchmark score, this is Geek Benchmark Score 6 for CPU, this is for GPU, and I have also done the PC Mark 10. You can pause the video and check all the scores if you need to see how much this is a performer. So even in this laptop, you are also getting a Lenovo Vantage. The app is completely too much useful. It will tell you about the software updates. It will tell you the warranty. If any driver is missing, you can try and check that out. So this app is definitely useful. I will definitely recommend you guys to check it. Even it will tell you the warranty, how much it is left. So this is all about the Lenovo Yoga 7i. This is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.